Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to edit fonts in Shopify, covering 3 different methods. Step 1. Changing the default font. Start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard and click Customize. Next, click on Typography and select Change. Here, you can easily choose and update the default font styles to match your preferences. Once you're happy with the changes, don't forget to click Save. Step 2. Importing Google Fonts. To import a Google font, scroll down to the Custom Fonts section. Visit the Google Fonts website, select your desired font, and click Get Font. Next, choose Get Embed Code, then select Import and copy the code. Paste this code into the Custom Fonts section in your Shopify theme. Click Save to apply the changes. Step 3. Importing custom fonts. First, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click Content. Then select Files. Click Upload Files and upload your custom font file. You can upload multiple font styles if needed. Please note that you can only upload the WAF and WAF2 file format only. Once the upload is complete, go to the online store, click Themes, and then click Customize. Select the 3 dots on the top right, choose Edit Code, and open the file in a new tab. Search theme.liquid file and add the code. Change the font family and SRC local based on the font. Copy the URL of your uploaded custom font and paste it into the corresponding URL script. Click Save, and your custom font will be successfully applied to your Shopify store. And that's it. You've learned how to edit fonts in Shopify using 3 different methods. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.